In this video, we are going to discuss about the Marathas and the Mysore kingdom. Mysore. In 1612 Common Era, a Hindu kingdom under the Udayars emerged in Mysore. Second Chikka Krishnaraja Udayar ruled from 1734 to 1766 CE. Hyder Ali started as a horseman but usurped the royal authority by becoming the de facto ruler of Mysore in 1761 CE. Hyder Ali set up an arms factory in Dindigul with the help of the French. Marathas under Madhav Rao defeated Hyder Ali in 1764, 1766 and 1771 CE. But Hyder Ali recovered all the territories during 1774 to 1776 CE. First Anglo-Mysore War 1767 to 1769 CE. Nizam, Marathas and English allied together against Hyder Ali. Hyder Ali paid Marathas to turn them neutral and promised the Nizam to share conquered territory with him, thus turned him into his ally. He then joined with Nizam to attack the Nawab of Arcot. The English were forced to conclude a humiliating Treaty of Madras in 1769 CE. Second Anglo-Mysore War 1780 to 1784 CE. Anti-English alliance of Maratha, Nizam and Mysore. English army under Colonel Bailey was defeated by the alliance in 1781 CE. English defeated Hyder Ali under General Ayr Kut in Porto Novo in 1781 CE. Hyder Ali again defeated the English. Hyder Ali died of cancer on 7 December 1782. Tipu Sultan, son of Hyder Ali, signed Treaty of Mangalore in March 1784 CE. Third Anglo-Mysore War 1790 to 1792 CE. English siding Travancore attacked Tipu. In 1790 CE, Tipu defeated the English general Meadows. In 1791 CE, Cornwallis took charge of the English force. English gained support from the Maratha and Nizam. In March 1791 CE, Amber, Vellore and Bangalore fell to English hands. Treaty of Seringapatnam 1792 CE. Nearly half of Mysore territory was taken over by the victors. Baramahal, Dindigul, Malabar went to the English. Marathas got surroundings of Tungabhadra. As war damage, 3 crore rupees were taken from Tipu. Fourth Anglo-Mysore War 1799 CE. In 1798 CE, Lord Wellesley succeeded Sir John Shore as the new Governor General. War began on 17th April 1799 and ended on 4th May 1799 CE. Seringapatnam fell to the British. Tipu was defeated by General Stuart and then by General Harris. Arthur Wellesley, brother of the Governor General, participated. English were helped by the Marathas and the Nizam. Marathas were promised half the territory of Tipu, and the Nizam had already signed the subsidiary alliance treaty. Aftermath. The new state of Mysore was handed over to minor Udayar king 3rd Krishnaraja. In 1831 CE, Governor General of India William Bentinck took control over Mysore on grounds of misbehavior. In 1881 CE, Lord Ripon restored the kingdom to its rulers. Marathas. Peshwa was a administrative rank in the Maratha rule, equal to the Prime Minister. They were Brahmins. Peshwas took control over the Maratha territories in early 18th century. After the defeat in Third Battle of Panipat in 1761 CE, the Maratha administration was in doldrums. Peshwa Madhav Rao I was killed in 1772 CE. First Anglo-Maratha War 1775 to 1782 CE. Raghunath Rao, unwilling to give up his position in power, sought help from the English at Bombay and signed the Treaty of Surat in 1775 CE. He ceded his territories of Salsette and Bassein to the English. The British Calcutta Council condemned the Treaty of Surat and made a new treaty, Treaty of Purandhar, in 1776 CE, and renounced Raghunath Rao, promised his pension. In 1777 CE, Nana Fadnavis violated the treaty by granting the French a post in West Coast. Marathas were led by Mahadji Shinde. They utilized scorched earth policy. English was surrounded in 1779 CE and they were forced to sign Treaty of Wadgaon. Hastings sent a large force and finally defeated Shinde at Sipri in 1781 CE. Treaty of Solbai was signed in 1782 CE. Mahadji Shinde became the mutual guarantor for the proper observance of the treaty. Second Anglo-Maratha War 1803 to 1805 CE. After Peshwa Madhav Rao Narayan committed suicide in 1795 CE, Bajirao II, the oathless son of Raghunath Rao, became the Peshwa. Nana Fadnavis, a bitter foe of Bajirao II, became the Prime Minister. Fadnavis died in 1800 CE. In 1802 CE, Jashwant Rao Holkar defeated the armies of Peshwa and Sindhia to avenge his brother's killing. Bajirao II fled to Bassein and signed the Treaty of Bassein with the English on 31st December 1802 CE. By the treaty, he surrendered the city of Surat. Peshwa accepted the subsidiary alliance. Third Anglo-Maratha War 1817 to 1819 CE. The Peshwa was defeated at Khirki, Bhosle at Sitalwadi, Holkar at Mahidpur. The Treaty of Poona was signed between the English and the Peshwa in 1817. The Treaty of Gwalior was signed between the English and Sindhia in 1817, and the Treaty of Mandsaur was signed between the English and Holkar in 1818 CE. Bajirao II finally surrendered in June 1818. Peshwaship abolished, Maratha Empire merged with the Bombay Presidency. 1818 remembered as the watershed in the Indian history. Bajirao II became a British retainer at Bithur near Kanpur. Pratap Singh, a linear descendant of Shivaji, was made ruler of a small principality, Satara.